Hey, good morning, and good morning. Hey, we're at day 4, the power of forgiveness. Hey, family, welcome back to the Family Reset, daily steps to strength and unity. We've talked about words and presence, but today we're addressing something that can hold families back, unforgiveness. Hey, let's be real. Family wounds cut deep, but holding on to hurt only keeps us stuck. Ephesians 4:32 says, be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as Christ had forgiven you. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means freeing yourself from the weight of resentment so healing can begin. Today, I challenge you to take one step forward toward forgiveness. Maybe it's prayer, conversation, or deciding to let go of the bitterness. Whatever it is, make a move forward toward healing. Families grow stronger when we stop carrying the past into the future. Let's reset, let's release, and let's move forward. Together, you, tomorrow for the next step towards strength and unity. Have a wonderful, amazing, just incredible day today.